Michael Saylor bought over $40 billion worth of Bitcoin. His critics said he was insane, but MicroStrategy's stock up over 2,000% since 2020. Here's why he did it, and reason number 3 will blow your mind. Saylor calls holding cash a melting ice cube. Since 2000, the dollar lost over 50% of its purchasing power. MicroStrategy was sitting on hundreds of millions in cash, losing 15% per year to inflation. He needed an asset that governments couldn't print into oblivion. Gold? Too old school. Real estate? Not liquid. Then he found Bitcoin. 21 million coins forever. No CEO, no government can create more. Problem solved. In August 2020, MicroStrategy made history. They didn't just buy Bitcoin with spare cash, they borrowed money at ultra-low interest rates to buy more Bitcoin. Issue bonds at 1% interest, buy Bitcoin, watch it appreciate. Risky? Absolutely. But Saylor structured it with zero margin calls. Even when Bitcoin crashed to $16,000 in 2022, he didn't have to sell a single coin. Today, MicroStrategy holds 528,000 Bitcoin. That's more than most countries. Reason number 1, digital scarcity. For the first time ever, we have an asset that's mathematically scarce. Exactly 21 million Bitcoin. No more, no less. We keep finding more gold, more oil, more diamonds. But Bitcoin? The supply is locked in code forever. Saylor believes this makes it the hardest money humanity has ever created. Reason number 2, network effects. Bitcoin's network is secured by more computing power than all the world's supercomputers combined. Every day, more institutions adopt it. El Salvador, BlackRock, Fidelity. Saylor compares it to early Facebook or Google. Once the network hits critical mass, it becomes unstoppable. And we're watching that happen in real time. Reason number 3, the game changer. Saylor believes we're witnessing the greatest wealth transfer in history. For thousands of years, governments controlled money. They printed it, they inflated it, they weaponized it. Bitcoin separates money from state. It's the first truly decentralized, permissionless, censorship-resistant money. Saylor isn't betting on Bitcoin going up, he's betting on the dollar going down. Every currency in history eventually fails. Bitcoin is the exit plan. So did it work? Since 2020, the S&P 500 is up about 50%. Bitcoin? Up over 400% from its lows. But MSTR stock? It peaked at over 2,500% gains. Even with crashes and volatility, Saylor's conviction paid off. He's not thinking in months or years, he's thinking in decades. His goal, build the world's first Bitcoin bank that lasts 100 years. Michael Saylor bet everything on Bitcoin, and so far, it's the boldest winning strategy in corporate history. Is he a genius or gambling with shareholder money? History will decide. But one thing's for sure, nobody has put their money where their mouth is quite like this. What do you think? Drop genius or gamble in the comments. If you learned something, smash that like button and subscribe. We're breaking down how Bitcoin actually works next. See you there.